Alright guys, so yeah, sorry for this video that this specific video took so long. What happened is I did install all of the pipes and everything, but now as soon as I wanted to tighten it, the clamps that I got was the wrong size. So I did get new clamps now, so now I can complete my whole radiator setup. It's only the clamps now that I've got left to do, but then before I'm gonna put antifreeze in the radiator, I'm just gonna take the car outside and then I will flush the whole engine system, because now it's a new radiator, new pipes, but there's still old water inside of the engine. So I'll just flush it with new water, then I'll put the pipes back, and then I'll fill it up with a complete antifreeze. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for now. I'm gonna put the pipes on, and then after that I'll just take it out and then I'll flush it out.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You you and me, we meant to be in the great.
Alright guys, so that's the video I'm gonna do for today for this video. So basically the things that's still left to do, okay, obviously I have to clean it. That water, all of that water, I will drain it, and I will be but throwing in antifreeze, as I don't want to run on only water. Then I still have my alternator wiring left, because now due to all of this, the alternator is not charging the battery at all, because there's those two wires. I don't know if you can see it. There we go, 1, 2 that's still left. And then yeah, there's a few small other things cleaning up. As you see, the engine now, it starts, it's working. And then as well with my gauges, I only have one problem now with my gauge, especially the rev counter or tachometer. It seems like it doesn't pick up anything. It switches on but it doesn't pick up anything, so I'm not sure if maybe it's something from the management that I need to switch on, or I'm not 100% sure. But when I take the car to the dyno, I'll sort that out. And then as well, my hydraulic handbrake that I also have installed, it's quite sick, it's nice. I also still need to also put the lines for it, and then I can remove this old one. And then yeah, there's just few small things, the inside things I need to put back, things I need to clean and put back. But further than that, doesn't look too bad. If you check where I started before and where I am now, there's a big difference. I don't even think you will recognize. I believe you won't even almost recognize the car from what it was in the beginning and what looks like now. But yeah, so there's still a few things left to do, but I personally cannot wait for the dyno, and then after that to go and take it to the drag tracks, just to have some fun. And then I also still have the body work left to do, but before I carry on with the body work itself, I want to, as you see, I've got rims at the back, but unfortunately I was in an accident with this car, so there's the other rim that got damaged, and then I still have a brand new one there. But yeah, the front rims doesn't fit, so I need to install spacers for it to be able to fit. And then yeah, I think another thing what I'll do, I'll probably also make a video of it, like a fast time lapse, whereby I want to sort out the garage. I want to put a table there, the table that's in the other garage, I want to put that table here so I can work on it, maybe install another light. That light I'll just replace it. I do have this. So like I said guys, this is it. This is all I'm going to do for today. Please check out my next videos, and then also check out my latest videos that I've already made. I know it's been a while for me posting. Alright guys, as I was trying, sorry for the inconvenience. I wanted to say cheers, but now the battery for my camera died the whole time, so I couldn't say goodbye. So yeah guys, like I said, this is the last video I'm gonna do for today. I will still probably do like another video whereby I will do a few things, like for example fit the fan, fix the radiator, the fan. Then I still have my fuel pressure regulator that I also need to install. There it is. That's adjustable one, so I still need to install that one, but unfortunately I need 2 AN male fittings to fit my 8 AN fittings to the fuel pressure regulator. So when that's done, I can basically just clean up, repaint everything, and then the engine bay is basically complete. Then on a later stage I'll open up the engine and replace most of the things. And then as well inside, like I said, I still have my handbrake left to do. I need to remove that one, but first I need to install those complete setup. Still have my bit of wiring left to do. And then yeah, just a few things inside that I need to install, put back. But yeah, it's coming along now. So yeah, I'm super excited, I can't wait. And then I'll probably also make another video about where I'm just cleaning the garage a bit. As you can see, it's a complete mess. Everything is laying around everywhere, but I've got a table in the other garage whereby I want to put it here, and then put all of the tools and put another plug, and you know, make a good nice setup for the garage for the Nissan. And then yeah, I'll probably just clean up everything, throw away that I need to throw away. Oh, and by the way guys, if any one of you want a complete heater unit for the Nissan Fj20et, please you can contact me. You can take it. I'm really not going to use it at all ever, so you can take it, it's not a problem. And then yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you've watched the full video, I really do appreciate it. And then don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button as well, and then also click the bell icon. And if you enjoyed the video, though, you can also have a like, would be really awesome. And then that's it guys, so then I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.